We are proud to present to you the Lean and Green Trading Corporation. It was started last September 10, 2017, founded by our very own chairman, Mr. Christopher Puntanar. Vice Chairman, Christopher Bantay. President, Engineer Arginal Maisog. Vice President, Lowell Wayne Fajarillo. CFO, Rowena Mendoza. Together with our business development team, Mr. Rengerel Tiong and Mr. Earl James Baniken. Our main office is located in Robinson's Galleria Corporate Center, Ortigas, Pasig City, in front of POEA along EDSA. About the legalities of the company, we are registered in Securities and Exchange Commission, approved by Halal, and licensed to operate din ng FBA ang lahat ng ating mga produkto. Isa sa mga layunin ni Lean and Green ay magkaroon ng masayang pamumuhay at malusog na pangangatawan, kasama ng kanilang buong pamilya habang kumikita ng hindi na kailangan lumayo sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. At sa loob ng maikling panahon, tayo ay ni-recognize at kinilala agad ang mga produkto natin. Bilang Consumer's Choice Award, tayo ay nakapag-create na din ng over 80 plus branches in the Philippines, 1,000 mobile stores nationwide at maging sa ibang bansa. Marami na ding buhay ang nabago at natulungang matupad ang kanilang mga pangarap dahil sa Lean and Green.